Foshan Sunshine Hardware Company Limited was founded in 2020. Manufacturing in locks and hardware for many years, local and famous lock industry area based in Dongshan town of Zhongshan City, China. We offer a wide of door locks, door handles, grip set lock, and mortise locks, also door hinges, hardware, and decorative hardware. Our products meet ANS, IBHMA, UL style door handles, handle set lock, and lever set lock, and mortise lock. Our company was an enterprise that combines developing, producing, processing, marketing, and also managing the product's export, technique, import, and export issues, whether you need small or large quantity goods. You can rely on us to deliver your requirements hardware products after years of development, relying upon our high quality and technologically advantaged products. Sunshine had gained huge market shares in both domestic and foreign markets, and the company brand had been widely recognized and appreciated by multifamily and hardware distributor customers. Our quality assurance systems are based on UL, BHM, AANSI, and CE standard to ensure our products meet the requirement of our buyers from North American, Western Europe, Middle East, and the other countries from the world. So whatever your hardware needs, you can depend on Sunshine Locks to be with you every step of the way. We support OEM and ODM. We also have strict requirements for product quality. Our excellent and skillful sales team will always help you to be successful with our Sunshine product service and after-sales service. If you need hardware, Sunshine is a great choice for you. Choose Sunshine Hardware. We will provide the best choice for your family to build your dream house.